In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files into Google Drive folders. Whether you're looking to tidy up your digital workspace or organizing files for a group project, mastering the art of file management in Google Drive can streamline your workflow and enhance efficiency. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. This will take you right to your Google Drive homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, as this ensures you have access to the files and folders you're going to work with. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to locate the file that you want to move. You can either scroll through your drive or use the search bar at the top to pinpoint the file quickly. The search function is particularly handy if you have a large number of files, saving you time and effort. After you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear, presenting you with several options. From that list, you'll want to click on Organize or Move To, depending on how your interface is set up. This step is crucial as it allows you to begin the process of transferring your file. Next, a pop-up window will appear, displaying your available folders. If you already have the destination folder created, browse through your drive to select it. This ensures your file is moved to the right location, enhancing your overall organizational structure. If you don't have a folder ready yet, don't worry. You can create one on the spot by clicking New Folder in the bottom left corner of the window. Creating folders helps you keep related files grouped together, simplifying future searches and maintaining order. Once you've selected or created your folder, go ahead and click the Move button. This simple action will transfer your file from its original location into the folder you've chosen. And just like that, you have successfully relocated your file, storing it neatly in its new home. By keeping your Google Drive organized, you'll find that you're able to work more efficiently and access what you need with minimal hassle. Feel free to repeat this process with as many files as you'd like to keep your drive structured and clutter-free. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide on how to move files into folders in Google Drive. I hope this tutorial enhances your file management skills and makes your daily tasks a little easier. If you have any questions or are looking for more tips, please feel free to leave a comment below. With a bit of practice, organizing your files will soon become second nature. Good luck, stay productive, and see you in the next tutorial.